guys, Alicia here again. So today for Movie Munchies, we will be talking about Elf, a classic Christmas movie. And we will be making some candy cane dip and some Elf punch. So we'll first start with our candy cane dip. You will need all of the things right here, of course. Now, the soda and the ice cream is for the punch, so I wouldn't worry about that. But you will need all of this. And just for some dipping, you can have a nice assortment of things available. And don't forget your red food coloring. You'll only need a drop of it. Oh, and of course, cream cheese, which I already have in my bowl, already softened. All right, so I'm just gonna make sure this is super soft, at least malleable. Okay, now I'm going to add that marshmallow fluff. Which is Marshmallow Fluffy. Then you're just going to mix these together. It will take some elbow work. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add a drop of the food coloring now, just so I can get that mixed in before we add anything crunchy like these crunched up candy canes. Literally doing just a drop. There. You guys go ahead and wipe that off before you put it up for the day. There, you just want a nice pink color. Okay, now I'm gonna put in that peppermint extract. And wow, you guys can really smell this. It smells like Christmas. Now, you guys can choose to add the candy canes or not. It's up to you, just depending on if you like that crunch level or not. So I'm just gonna add a couple, and you're gonna just put these in a bag and smash them, okay? Or if you get the mini ones, those will work as well. You can also use, if you can't find candy canes for whatever reason, no judging, you can use the peppermint discs also, because it's basically a candy cane in disc form. Okay, time for smashing. Great, you know what? That's not too bad. It gives you some big crunchy pieces and then some small fine dust. Okay? And of course, you guys can crunch it for longer if you like. Then we're just going to combine. All right, and go ahead and mix thoroughly. All right, and you guys have a delicious dip now that you can use with, my personal favorite is chocolate animal crackers, you know, or you can use just your good old-fashioned original graham crackers. Either one's your choice, great for dipping and while you're watching this movie. Now, another great thing we are about to make is Elf punch, yay. So this one is super easy, super simple, delicious. You're gonna take a can of your ginger ale and a can of your Sprite. I like putting one in first. And of course, you guys can use a 2 liter for like an Elf party punch. Then I like putting in ice cream. And make sure it's Lime Sherbet. preferably lime only, but that can be hard to find. Even I had problems finding it, so I had to buy the big tub of sherbet and then just cut off your lime part. Either or though, it won't ruin it. Oh look, you've got magic happening. And then your ginger ale. And you can see all the foamy loveliness. Alright. And I forgot my spoon. Let me grab that because you're just going to want to mix this up. Okay. And really it'll start melting on its own. It'll be nice and chilled and delicious, give you that green taste. Now there's lots of different things you can do with this. This is pretty basic punch, but it's the delivery that can make a big difference. So you can do cute little mugs with sugar on the rim, or you can do green mugs and decorate it with little elf ears, or clear glass mugs to really let the green of the punch show through with little elf ears. You can also just grab a regular old mug. Okay, and you're just gonna mix and mix and mix. All right, and there we are, our delicious elf punch with our candy cane dip. So you guys check out the movie with the library. It is a great movie. And make sure you subscribe and like our channel.